Today we will be testing the SuperIchi indicator. Before we do, if you have not watched the first videos on the channel and the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. You can find a link down below to sign up for TradingView. If you use that link, you'll save a little bit of money on your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. If you are interested in a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested along with their win rates, you can sign up for our Patreon. And you will receive a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested. You can find a link to our Patreon down below in the description. We also have a Patreon only exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators, a list of winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the SuperIchi indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 101 different strategies, with 29 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 84% win rate. That is the Academy of Forex indicator with the Z-score probability indicator. I'll put a thumbnail up of that video right now. Also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. That way you can just click on that link, go straight to the video, and watch that video on the best strategy that we have tested so far. We've also tested a total of 950 indicators, with 395 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 110 of the winning indicators. 39 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best two, a 76% win rate. And keep in mind that we test most of these indicators and strategies on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today we are testing the SuperIchi indicator. We actually tested this one in yesterday's video, and in that video what we were looking for was the cloud and the Ichimoku cloud here in the background to give us the overall trend direction, and then we were looking for the Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen cross that was notated by these dots here. And I mentioned in that video that we would probably test it another way that I saw someone use as a strategy. Now, like I said before in the other video, the source video claims that this is the Super Ichimoku indicator, or the new Super Ichimoku indicator. And so, as I mentioned in that video as well, this is basically a streamlined or updated version of the Ichimoku trading system, which is an all-in-one trading system with all kinds of different components and aspects to it. And so this one basically has the cloud and has the Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen lines here, and you can go in and play with some of the settings and turn on and off some of the other settings, like this one here, and so on. And so nonetheless, in this video, what we're going to look for again is going to be first and foremost the cloud to give us the overall trend direction. Now, as I mentioned once again in yesterday's video, was that the cloud is a leading indicator, and so the cloud is up in front of price action here. So we're looking for the most current color of the cloud, not the color of the cloud back here. And so the cloud color gives us our overall trend direction. So when it is green, we are looking for long trades. When it is red, we are looking for short trades. And then what we're looking for is we are looking for price action to pull back into the Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen lines here. And then we are looking for a signal of continuation in the price in the original direction. So for example, right here you can see that the cloud is green. We get a pull back into the Tenkan-sen and Kaijin-sen lines here, and then you can see that we get this nice big spike, or even this one here, kind of engulfing candles there, spiking back up to the upside. That would be a signal to go long, as an example. And the reverse would be true for shorts. We'd be looking for the red cloud and then pull back into the lines, and then a sign of continuation to the downside. That's how we're going to test it in this video. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing, see what we can get out of it. Okay, so we have the green cloud. We have price action pulling back into the two lines there. Let's look for a kind of spike in the upward direction, maybe a strong green candle, and we want the two lines to still remain in the bullish position, which is the blue line over the orange, and so we don't want them to have a cross to the downside. Got a little happy on the button there and hit the wrong one, but you see that we get that nice spike, nice green candle spike right there, and we get a nice push to the upside, which looks like it got us to our take profit. Sure did. All right, so what I'm going to do is just go ahead and fast forward through the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we're at the end of the year. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly suggest you check out the best strategy that we have tested on the channel here. It was able to achieve an 84% win rate. I'll put a screenshot up of the thumbnail to that video right now. I'll link to it up in the corner, and I'll also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Like I said, it is a highly profitable trading strategy, was able to achieve an 84% win rate. It uses one of our custom indicators that we've developed here on the channel, as well as a trading view indicator, and all around it is a wonderful trading strategy. I highly recommend you check that out. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator. Let's get this scroll back here. So give us a few more trades within the 1 year's time. Looks like it doubled them. Yeah, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we have 6 trades altogether. I think in the last video we had 3. And so out of those 6 trades, we got the 4 winning trades. And so that is going to put us at the 60% criteria that we are looking for. Well, over that 60% criteria that we are looking for. And so I definitely think it's worth a little bit of a drop in the win rate. Like I said in the last video, it had all winning trades, and so we are definitely going to take a lose at some point, a losing trade at some point. And so, and if you're going to take a loss, then it's nice to be able to double your number of trades without taking a huge number of losing trades with it. And so I think 2 losing trades is an acceptable kind of loss if you're going to add 3 more trades in the year. With that being said, 6 trades still isn't a huge amount of trades within the 1 year's time, but all in all, it seems like a pretty solid indicator, and so definitely check this one out. It is going to stay on the yes list, and we will move on to the next video from here.